Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download DJI Fly app on your Android phone. So let's get straight into it. Now, what we are going to do is first open your internet browser, like for example, Google Chrome on your Android phone. Now I will show you here on my computer, but yeah, it's the same thing if you are here in DJI.com, download DJI app Fly. Here, what you're going to do, select Android, and then you will download the latest version. You can scan this QR code or just hit download button. And this is basically pretty much it, uh, what you're going to do. After that, you will just uh, tap the file which you will download, and just like that you will get the pop-up window to install it. You will allow from this source, and yeah, installation will start, and you will have the DJI Fly app, and that's pretty much it. You need to know that the file name is something like DJI Fly, and the end of it is .apk file. So I hope this should have helped you out at least a little bit. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.